In today's video, we are taking a detailed look at the Seachem Tidal 35. We will show you how to properly set up all the filtration media for the best results. Now, we are carefully removing the pump from the bottom of the housing to show you the internal structure. You can clearly see the side intake and the surface skimmer area here. To make this filter completely safe for shrimp and small fry, we are placing a thin, dense sponge inside this section. This simple but effective modification will block the intake gaps, ensuring that no livestock gets pulled into the pump while still allowing for perfect water circulation. As you can see, the sponge fits perfectly within the intake gaps. This creates a solid barrier that keeps your shrimp safe while still allowing the skimmer to function. Now we're adding another piece of sponge to the side intake. This ensures that even the smallest shrimp or fry cannot get pulled in from the side of the unit. Now we can reinstall the plastic pump housing. It fits perfectly over our newly installed sponges, securing them firmly in place. Once that is done, we simply slide the pump back into its original position at the bottom. Now we take a closer look at the filter from above. We lift out the white media basket, which is where we will be loading all our filtration materials. First, we have this coarse sponge that we custom cut to fit the basket perfectly. It will serve as our primary mechanical filter. Next, we have the medium density sponge, designed to catch even smaller particles of waste. Finally, we use a layer of fine filter wool. This is essential for catching the smallest particles and polishing your water to a crystal clear finish. Now we come to the biological powerhouse, Seachem Matrix. This highly porous stone provides an incredible surface area for beneficial bacteria to grow, keeping your aquarium water safe and healthy. Each stone is filled with tiny pores where beneficial bacteria live. This is what truly makes Seachem Matrix so effective for your aquarium. Finally, we have Seachem Purigen. This is a premium synthetic adsorbent that removes soluble and insoluble impurities from your water with unmatched efficiency. One of the best things about Purigen is that it can be regenerated. When the beads change color and become saturated, you can simply recharge them for multiple uses. Now, let's assemble the white media basket step by step. We start by placing the coarse, custom-cut sponge at the very bottom. This is followed by the medium-density sponge to catch smaller waste. On top of that, we add the fine filter wool for final water polishing. Finally, we place our bag of Seachem Matrix. This layered approach ensures that the water is mechanically cleaned before it reaches our biological media. This specific order ensures that our biological media stays clean for a long time, preventing any clogs and keeping the water perfectly filtered. Finally, we add Seachem Purigen for superior chemical filtration. It is crucial to wait a few weeks until your nitrogen cycle is fully complete before adding it. Since Purigen removes organic waste, adding it too early could slow down the growth of essential beneficial bacteria. Our filter is now ready and fully optimized. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support is vital for our growth and gives us the motivation to create more educational content like this for you. Thanks for watching.